Hey everyone, today we're diving into this insanely powerful AI tool that'll blow your mind if you've ever struggled with removing tricky backgrounds. Think messy hair, detailed foliage, or chaotic environments. And the best part is, it can batch process up to 3,000 images at once. Let me show you how it works. First, head over to aiarty.com. I'll drop the link below so you don't have to scribble it down. They've got two main tools here, one for image enhancement and another dedicated to background removal. We're focusing on the image matting tool today. It's a wizard at handling complex stuff, even supporting resolutions up to 32K. Yes, you heard that right. Start by installing the free trial. When you open it, they'll nudge you to upgrade, but no worries, just hit remind me later to keep using the free version. Now adding your images. You go multiple ways to add images. You can click the plus sign and add image. Or just drag and drop your files. They even throw in some demo images if you want to test drive it first. For this video, I've loaded some super complicated shots. Before we run it, pop into the hardware settings to pick your graphics card for smoother performance. Then, choose an AI model. I'm using Alpha Standard V2 because it's a rock star for detail. You can also tweak models for upscaling or enhancement later if you want. You can adjust position of the image by rotating or reflecting. Next, select AI Detect option and click Start, and AI will scans your image, detects what's what. Check this out, it even labeled my plant photo correctly. Once you're done with settings and AI detection, now you can hit image matting. If it's your first time, the software might download some models, so maybe grab a coffee for 2 minutes. Once it's done, you've got crisp background-free images ready to go. But wait, there's more. Swap that boring background for a solid color, add a blur effect, or get artsy with pixelated textures. The options are wild. If you're editing photos for a project, this tool's a lifesaver. Once you have done removing background, now you can export in batch or export single image. The batch process takes time according to your graphic specs. Make sure to grab the free access link from the description and try it yourself. Don't forget to smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more nerdy editing hacks. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next one.